Now let's talk about watches as social infrastructure. Now, perhaps the most significant concern is the social dimension of the watch collecting. Some collectors report that their watch hobby represents their exclusive social outlet. In an era of declining in person social opportunities, watches have become a rare avenue for adults to form friendships, particularly online. Now, previously, what we have observed is that watches have accessorized or enhanced existing social interactions. Today, watches facilitate those interactions from the start. Now, this represents a paradigm shift where the watches itself create the social fabric rather than operating within an existing one. Next, let's talk about the investment myth and the value reality. Now, majority of the collectors purchase at least one watch annually, but only one third ever sell the watches. This contradicts the narratives about investment-focused collecting. Now, while resale value awareness has increased as the residual effect of the investor mentality that temporarily invaded the hobby, most purchases are driven by personal wearing enjoyment rather than for speculation. Value considerations dominate purchase decisions across all budget levels and experience tiers. Collectors increasingly expect more for their money with each successive purchase. The longer someone collects, the more precise their tastes become and the more they explore alternatives also. The average spending limits have also risen with collectors who previously capped around 3,000 now comfortable with spending around 5,000 per watch. This adjustment reflects changing retail prices and monetary inflation rather than increased enthusiasm for higher spending. Next, let's talk about the design evolution. The watch size preferences reveal generational patterns out here. Younger collectors increasingly favor smaller watches while the older collectors prefer the larger ones. This reverses the previous trends and likely reflects shifting media influence rather than the age itself. Those who developed taste during the large watch era, that is the late 1990s to 2015, still prefer the big watches, while the newer enthusiasts respond to current messaging emphasizing comfort and classic proportions. The sweet spot remains between 38 to 42 mm, with 40 mm being the most preferred size. Color also represents the most significant frontier. Blue emerges as the most demanded color overall when accounting for light and darker shade, though black and white remain popular. Collectors show surprising openness to purple, green, pink, gold, red, and the yellow watches. Notably, brown watches receive minimal interest despite their fashionable potential, likely due to the lack of exposure rather than active rejection.